This is 10909 Toro Drive in Dallas, Texas. A 3-bedroom, 1-bath home. Let's take a look inside. You notice there was a 2-car garage front entry inside the property. Here is a large living area with vaulted ceilings and a corner fireplace, dining area, galley style kitchen. Let's check out the rest of the house. Here's bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2, bathroom number 1, washer and dryer connections, and the master bath bedroom with access to the master bathroom. That concludes the tour for this property. Thanks for watching.